What is up? It's time for a Blazer update. Where are we at? Body is on. Cab mounts are made. Still need welded on and gusseted. I made new body mounts for the floor, new floor mounts. Now everything is, I got 6 body mounts on. I'm probably gonna do 2 more body mounts over top of the notch, or right around the notch area. After I sheet metal that in, I'll do a bracing across there and do 2 more body mounts across there, just to give it some extra strength, just because it is an SUV. But yeah, so little update. It's going well. I did come to the realization that I do not want to run the 4.3 liter in it. I was going to do that just to make it easy for the whole swap of everything, and you know, all the wiring's there. I can just put the 4.3 in the new frame, have everything wired up, and everything's going to be nice. But to be honest, why? I'm not a big fan of the 4.3 anyway. The motor I want to do in it, I want something that when you pop the hood, it's aesthetically pleasing and everything can be symmetrical on side to side. So obviously we're going to go with an LS. I do have a motor already. It's a 4.8, so I don't need to go 5.3. We're not turboing it or anything. I just want something that looks nice when you pop the hood. So we were going with the LS, probably just a 4L60 transmission. Where I'm at right now is I have to get the wheels fitting. So that means tubbing the firewall, cutting out the back. I did get trailer fenders for the back. I got the 34-inch ones, or the 36-inch ones. They're a little big, but at least I can cut them down and make them fit. I didn't want to get the 32-inch ones and not have enough room. I wanted to make sure I had enough room over everything. And I am actually building this to be able to lay on 22s. I'm not going 22s right now. I'm only ever planning to go 20s, but who knows? I don't want to build it for 20s and then in the future be like, oh man, I wish I could put 22s on this. It's just already going to be done. So always plan ahead. Even if you think you're not going to do something, you never know. But anyway, I'll try to film work as I can. It's kind of been to the point of me just trying to just blow through this thing, because my goal date to see it finished isn't that far away. But anyway, we're not rushing anything. You know, if my end date doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Like, I'm not rushing this for anything, but I would like to see it done. So let's just keep on going and keep sticking around for the ride. It's a fun one.